beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another salon work video. So today my client came in. I haven't seen her in about a month or month and a half. So her color has faded and her hair has grown out, as you can see. So she came for a color retouch, a color refresh, and a silk press and a trim. I think we did a trim. But anywho, so you can see how much her hair has grown out. And that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get this hair back looking vibrant again. All right. So the color I am using, she does a light copper mahogany brown, which you see right there. And that 5N is to cover her gray, but it won't affect the color of the hair. It'll just cover the gray, and the 5CM will color the hair. So yes, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so she is all colored. What I did, you seen in the previous clip where I was doing her roots, but then I went back and pulled the rest of the color down from the mid shaft to the ends. And then I'm going to spray this eye condition, leave-in conditioner and detangler, which is in my white aerosol spray. I'm still trying to get a hold of this lighting situation with my camera. And plus I have two big windows in my salon suite. So I think that's what's causing the light to be kind of bright. But yeah, just trying to learn as I go, people, you know. So yeah, so her hair is all blow dried. And before pressing, I'm going to use my Eye Glisten heat protectant and shine serum. And I'm going to put that all throughout the hair. Also, that leave-in conditioner that I sprayed before blow drying is also aids as a heat protectant when you blow dry. So that's a good thing for that. It's like a 3-in-1 for one product. So I make sure that the heat protectant get all over her hair strands, and then I flat iron her hair, and she's all flat ironed. And then I'm gonna go in and trim her, make sure her ends are nice and trimmed. Cause like I said, I haven't seen her in like a month and a half. So we gotta make sure we get everything. Color refresh and those ends trimmed too, girl. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Keep watching. Alright, so her hair is nice and pressed and trimmed. So now just for a little light curl. So what I do is I curl the hair and give it kind of a bump kind of, and I leave it where it is. I mean, I don't mess with it. I let it cool first, and then I'm gonna go and comb the curls out, because she just like a light flowy kind of style, not too much curl for this time. And then yeah, so That's it, you guys. We're coming to the end of the video. If you've made it to the end of the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Turn on your, I already said notification bell, all right. Thumbs up if you like my reaction. Comment as well. If you would like to order any products, the link will be in the description down below. If you're in the Metro Atlanta area and want to make an appointment, that is located in the description bar below as well. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you next Wednesday on the next one. All right, continue watching the rest of the video. Bye-bye.